My husband gave me a plate, a bowl, and a fork to use for this activity. I randomly selected making a fruit salad out of 2 different types of fruit. Now I'm going to start with the cherries. I'm going to slice them. This plate acts as a cutting board, which is nice, and the bowl would be great to hold the fruit. The fork is not the best. It's working for this though. The cherries are soft enough. And there's one half of the cherry. Got pit out, and there's the other half of the cherry. That shouldn't be too difficult. The apple might be a little worse. I'm going to stab this apple until a slice is loose. So it'd be way easier if I had a knife. It's nice that the fork is at least a little bit sharp. My husband considered giving me chopsticks to use. That would have been interesting. That would have also been stabbing as well. And that would have been a lot more difficult than this. Spoon wouldn't be terrible, but fork is nice because it can at least puncture the apple fairly easily. And here's a slice. And there is another slice. And my fruit salad is well on its way.